Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install the throttle body spacer on the 2018 Ford Mustang. Now I have this Roush intake, so it's going to be a little bit different than stock. First I'm going to remove these 6 screws. I'm going to remove the cover, and this is just to get easier access to the throttle body. If you have the Roush intake installed, you'll remove these 2 screws, unplug the MAF sensor, undo the worm gear clamps, and remove the air filter. And then remove the tube that the MAF sensor is plugged into. Next step is to remove this 10mm bolt, lift up on the housing of the intake box, and set it aside. Next is going to be unclamping the worm gear on the throttle body. Remove the 4 bolts holding on the throttle body. You're going to take your throttle body spacer, line it up.
It'd be nice if this thing wasn't 1,000 degrees.
I found it easiest to start one of the screws and tighten it down a little bit so the gasket stays in place. Then insert all 4 of the new bolts.
Tell me if you think this gasket's sealed in there.
And tighten them down. Next, put the hose back on.
I'll put my giant 3-inch intake on.
Clamp it down. If you have the Roush intake, you're going to reinstall the intake box.
Is yours a single or double turbo?
Single. But it's what they call a dual scroll turbo.
Tighten down the 10mm to hold that box in place. Then you're going to reinstall your air filter element. Tighten down the worm gears so the hoses don't come undone.
There you are.
Don't forget to reinstall the MAF sensor plug. And then insert the 2 bolts that hold it into place. Install the cover back onto your intake.
Yeah.
Tighten down the 6 screws and you're done.
That's it.
What?